This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol STEM. Okay, yeah, what a very strong move today, up 547%. If you've been following mychartcoach.com and reading the Ospreyeye board, you know that, and been in our chat, you know that we've been following STEM for several days. We were looking, if you look at our last STEM chart here, you will see that okay, this is a 15-minute. Here it is. The last stem chart here, you'll see that the Bollinger Bands were getting super tight, and then here on July 26th, there was a volume spike, and then there was a break above the middle Bollinger Band. This volume spike is what we call an attention spike. This was signaling that the chart was heating up and was the place to take a starter. Okay, this is where the front loaders, people that were getting in early, were taking positions here. The Bollinger Bands tightened, and then today we had the break above the 50-day moving average that we were looking for. Okay, let's look at the new chart, and you'll see there was a break above the 50-day moving average, and then we were looking for a break above the bottom of the gap level. Okay, that happened, and then that put the 100-day simple moving average as our next target. That level broke, and so now that's putting the top of the gap. Okay, so there's a gap back here in May, and you can see at the end of May there was the top of the gap is going to be low of day on this candle, and then the bottom of the gap was high of day on this candle, and so what we're looking for is for the gap to fill, and then possibly this 200-day moving average at 317 to get hit, and we're looking for this to be the climax of today's run. Okay, so many times when a gap fills, that's the climax signal, and also the 200-day moving average is many times the climax signal. And so as you can see, you know, this is where the resistance levels are as well. So we're looking for this to signal the top today. Okay, so a huge volume spike. You got to love the volume behind the move. If you look here, we were looking for the BB width to spike up, and that's exactly what happened. There was a big spike on BB width. And then let's look at the 15-minute chart, because this is really important. So when you're trading a runner, what you want to do is you want to just follow the 15-minute chart. And what we had here is we had the tight Bollinger Bands. Look how freaking tight those were. You can barely even see them. They were so darn tight. That was signaling a move was coming. Boom, you're looking for a break above the moving averages and above the middle Bollinger Band. The first candle of the day was your signal. All right, we put an alert out pre-market that there was the merger news. Okay, so this was alerted in our chat, you know, before the market started. And then this first candle was telling you, yes, this is in play if you hadn't got in already. See, notice how the candles are riding EMA4 support all the way up. You want to keep riding as long as EMA4 support holds. Once there's a close below EMA4, that's going to be our signal that it's cooling down, and we want to be looking to lock in gains and look for a reload lower. This should make a nice bounce on the first pullback. Okay, so you want to look for EMA8 will be the first support level. If there's a big pullback, what you try to do is you try to load off the middle Bollinger Band. As long as this middle Bollinger Band currently at 1.0 holds, the uptrend should continue. The good sign for the bulls is this volume. Look at the big volume here. Okay, so there's giant volume behind the move, and so what we're looking for is for this 200-day moving average to be hit up here, and we're looking for the gap to fill. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.